Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OpenAI API inside no-code apps via n8n, full guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your n8n account. Create a new workflow by clicking on the New button. In the workflow editor, locate the nodes panel on the left side. Search for the HTTP request node and drag it into the workflow area. Configure the HTTP request node by clicking on it. Set the request method to POST. In the URL field, enter the OpenAI API endpoint you wish to use. Next, navigate to the Authentication section. Select Header Authentication from the drop-down menu. Enter your OpenAI API key in the Access Token field. Scroll down to the Body section of the HTTP request node. Change the content type to JSON. In the Body Parameters area, input the necessary parameters for your API request. Ensure to follow the OpenAI API documentation for the correct parameters. After configuring the HTTP request node, test the connection. Click on the Execute Node button to check if it functions correctly. If successful, you will see a response from the OpenAI API. Now, you can add additional nodes as needed. Consider including a function node to process the API response. For example, you can extract specific data from the response. Once you set up all the nodes, connect them logically. After connecting, save your workflow by clicking on the Save icon. Finally, activate the workflow to allow it to run as needed. Your OpenAI API connection inside n8n is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.